Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to make custom SwiftUI modifier that allows you to add clear button on the right corner of the text field. So this is one of my apps, and this is a text field, and I want this clear button on the right to appear when there is some text in the text field. Now, when it's empty, there is no clear button, and when we add something, there is a clear button that clears our text field. So I achieved that by making a custom SwiftUI modifier that you can just copy paste this code and use it in any of your projects. You can also modify it to your needs. However, this is the text field, this is placeholder, text variable, which is a state, where we hold the state of currently written text here, and the only thing that I needed to add here was this dot clear button, where we pass our basically the same state variable that we need to pass here for the text. So this is the implementation of this custom modifier. So you need to make structure, name it any way you want it. It needs to conform to view modifier, and it needs to implement function body content, which returns some view. At the top we added binding variable text. That's this what we pass here in the main view. This is a state variable, and here this is a binding. In the body I made a Z stack with alignment on trailing, and content. Here the content is something on which we called our modifier. So in this case we called this on our text field. So this text field is content here, this stack content, and first thing is we check if text is not empty. So we want to show clear button only when there is something in the text field. In that case I added button with no text, we need just image. For the label I used image system name multiply circle fill. So you have this already in the SF symbols, you can use that, or you can use some custom image that you find somewhere. Foreground style gray, so I wanted this image to be gray. You can modify this to any color you need. And the last thing that I added was this offset on X, so to the right of 25 points. I will explain to you in a second why I did that. So this Z stack helped me to use this content, and above on it add this button to the trailing, so to the end right corner. And what's important is below that I made extension on view, where I defined function clear button, which takes parameter text binding of string and returns some view. So here I made this modifier text field clear button and added this text. If I didn't make this, I could use something like this already here. However, I made this clear button function to make it more user friendly, to that someone can see what this really means. And what it is important here is to play around and add some padding after this modifier. So I added on the leading 12, top and bottom 12, and on the trailing part I added 30. After that I added overlay rounded rectangle with some corner radius. You can modify that. Stroke color, stroke width 1, color gray, that's really not important. but this is the important part. So trailing 30, I added that because when I didn't have that, button and text were overlapping. So I added this 30 to make text ends here, and then because of that my button was somewhere here. I needed to add offset to move it here on the to the right, so you can get this clearly, that you can see here is the text. The button is not on the text now, it is on the right, and you can click clear and it clears everything. So that's my implementation. If you know some better way to do it, please comment below on the video, and I will copy paste this and leave you in description so you can use this, and you can use it as it is, or you can modify it something that you need. It's not really important. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more materials on SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.